So I did something this weekend that I thought I would never do. I babysat for an actual baby, as opposed to the men that I usually date. I stayed at my sister's house and I took care of my 11-month-old nephew, Ziggy. My sister is so granola. She actually has a book called Cooking with Compost. She made me use recyclable diapers on cute little Ziggy, as opposed to the disposable kind. So instead of throwing away a satchel full of poo juice, I had to unzip it out of a liner with the care and precision of a neurosurgeon. Unfortunately, I mistakenly put it in the blue container with the recyclable beer cans, which made Rollo, the local homeless guy, really mad. Frankly, I never used to care about recycling until I found out that plastic is made from petroleum and petroleum is made from oil, and we're running out of oil. And I just can't imagine poor Ziggy growing up in a world without plastic ballpoint pens or plastic heart valves or Mardi Gras beads. So I told my sister that in honor of Ziggy, I would become a recycling dynamo. Well, also because I was too broke to buy him a decent birthday present. But recycling can be so confusing. I mean, I thought it was great that I was recycling my old bleach bottles until I found out that the plastic was being used for Brazilian women's breast implants. Like I need more competition. So I realized that I could make a bigger impact if instead of recycling a bunch of little things like my aluminum fillings, that I would recycle a bunch of big things, like things that my ex-boyfriends have left behind in my apartment over the years. So I hauled all of their junk out to the garbage, and there I stood, facing the recycling bins. And let's see now, there's the blue can, the green can, and the black can. Now the blue can is supposed to be for recyclables. Glass, yes. Plastic, yes. Poop, no. So in the blue can, I dumped Dirk, the perv's very personal, very prized, inflatable mistress. And then there's the green can, and green is supposed to be for garden mulch and biodegradables and leaves, that kind of thing, but not food. Instant dilemma, what do I do with the leftover salad that Chauncey hid in the back of my fridge? Finally, there's the black can, the everything can, the can-do, as opposed to my recent ex, Roger, the can't-do. All in all, I felt pretty good about recycling and saving Ziggy's world. And it's nice to know that a lot of this worthless garbage is going to be melted down and made into something useful. Unlike my exes who are worthless garbage that will never be useful.